Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me this morning as usual is my husband Marcel, and so we're here with Kasian as well this morning. So we're here to give you an update and also to make a presentation to her as well. Please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be notified. All right, so morning again, Kasian.
Morning.
Okay. Are we happy? Okay, all right, we can get this done. So we are at your location, and since the last time we did a video with you, you would have moved in, because the last time you weren't in as yet.
Yeah,
so
we did in.
You were in, but you never had any shelves.
Yeah.
You had shelves?
Yeah, I remember. You don't remember?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah.
You never finished.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you were selling outside.
No, the last time when I bring the banana and the fruit, I was inside.
Yes?
Yeah.
I think maybe because we did the presentation on the outside.
Yeah, I mean.
We didn't go in, but we know that it was not completed because it did say it needed some shelves. You remember?
Yeah, but me and Eleanor at the time when me Eleanor died,
yes,
was in.
Oh,
but when me that at the window and the door, and the window and the door, me did Eleanor one, but like them did in there, but not all of them.
Okay.
Oh, we don't re-add 2 more L and the complete the window and the door.
Okay, so this time for sure we're definitely going to go in.
Yeah.
So next time we don't have this type of conversation.
Yeah.
All right, but how has business been going since?
Well, thank me admin na complain.
Yes.
Na complain. It would have been about me ill na complain.
Yes.
Me add everything where.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you find that things are much better than it was before?
Yeah. And it true when me there warm, you at the end and maybe a bit other it hurt at it and then we there but me I do me look lane me able it hear me rain buy me L and hear me loan.
Awesome.
And able it all earl without and without him in anything.
Okay, so that's good. So you find that you have a level of independence now.
Yeah.
Right, because you can buy, like you say, you can pay your loan, pay your rent.
Yeah.
You know, and you coming out keeping you, you know, active.
Yeah. But it's on my yard.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm happy for that, and I'm loving the smile on your face as well.
Yeah.
It shows that things have really changed or have improved.
Yeah. Not complain. Not
complain at all. That's the spirit. That's the spirit.
Nah, better than nothing.
Yes.
And be hard. Me nah complain.
Yes.
Better than nothing. Me not really me. No money we more than want me. But me ill now complain everywhere.
Yes.
You know me do business. Me down. You know you everything.
All right, Casey, and that's his spirit. That's very lovely. I like that.
Yeah.
And you know you can only grow from strength to strength. Like you say, business, some days you're up, some days you're down, but you're still giving thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
Not complain at all.
Okay, all right, great. And the kids are gone to school and everybody all right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so our main purpose for being here today with you is to make a presentation to you, because the last interview that we did with you, you did ask that, you know, if anyone is out there that could assist you with an igloo, because that would have been a major challenge for you, because even when we were purchasing the stock, you did say, don't buy no juice because I don't have no igloo. So, but we did take the initiative and buy a little juice. And how was that though?
Well, them buy the fruit, but won't let the fruit them way. Did give me.
Yes.
Me mostly buy them back and me like me eat them all and them look weird. All of them are not done.
Yes. Okay.
And when I did one in with my friend and me did did up them with me and me did L. Some of them I want rate in a 9.
Okay. All right, so that's awesome. All right, so because of the assistance that you would have asked for in terms of the igloo, we have a donor who saw your plea, and she did reach out to us, and I'm gonna refer to her as YJ from England. And you know, she would have said, you know, I want to donate an igloo to you. So what would have done, so we're here this morning to make a presentation to you. We're gonna give you the igloo, and she did ask us, you know, if we have anything left over to buy you some stock, which we did, because we did talk to you about, you know, what else would you like, and you did tell us. So we're here to make that presentation to you. So we're gonna do that right now. All right? Okay. All right, so Jimmy can't take it out. Ooh. All right, so Kesian, I want to present this igloo to you from our donor. We're gonna open it so you can see inside. Oh, I think I have it the other way around. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is it. It should make a difference. A major difference, I think. So we're gonna present the igloo to you. So here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, and we spoke about some stock. So I guess I can put the igloo up here, and then we can rest it right here. Okay, so hold on. So you asked us to buy a little stock for you. So we bought that and this. Not much based on, you know, the fact that we had to purchase the igloo, but we bought you the sweets that you asked us to buy. So that's 3 bags of them. 4. And this will just be adding to the stock that you have already. All right. Oh yes, and the socks you asked us to buy. All right, so you can bring this. Let me help you. Socks. Where did I put it? I don't remember where I put it. It's here somewhere. Okay, perfect. I found it. All right, so, and the socks you asked us to get. All right? Okay. So I have to use the opportunity to say to our donor, YJ from England, thank you so much. This is not your first time donating to us. You would have assisted us, you know, with another cause, and we thank you so much. We do appreciate your gesture, and I know that this that would have purchased for Casey and will make a major difference to her. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Many, and I'm really grateful, and I really thank you. May God make you work by it, and him. Thank you a lot. Really, thank you.
All right, that's awesome. That's awesome. All right, so Kesian, you know, it's always a pleasure because I like to see, you know, what you're doing. We're happy to know that because you have your own little business now, there are certain things that you can take care of without, you know, having to sit down and worry about, you know. So what I'm most impressed with is the fact that you say, you know, some days you're up, some days you're down, but you're just going to keep going and you're giving thanks and you're not going to complain. All right, so we're praying that your business will grow from strength to strength and continue to keep the positive attitude. All right? Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you. This is where we end this video for today. YJ, big up yourself again. Enough respect to you. All our donors, we love you. We love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much. This is where we end the video for today, and thanks for always making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. Stay safe.